Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn yourself into an anime character in CapCut PC. So I have this picture here. I'm just going to drag it into the timeline. You will need a picture for this. You can't unfortunately use videos. So you are going to then select the AI stylized tab, then you are going to enable style. You're then going to select the portrait one and you are going to select anime. They have other stuff that you can apply, but just choose the anime one if you want to turn yourself into an anime. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!